Hi, I'm Joe and I'm here to show you how to use your scope probe. Your scope probe gets extended by first disengaging the ski strap, extending the pole straight down, and lowering this top section until you hear a click and the snap button engages. Next, remove your case, set it aside, and now you're ready to probe. The scope turns on and off by coming in and out of the case. If the scope is placed in the case, it's off. If the scope comes out of the case, it's now on. I know it's on by a slow flashing green LED on my status, and I have a blue LED indicating that it's connected to my phone in my pocket. If your scope isn't connected to your phone before you start probing, you won't have location. To connect the scope to your phone, if the blue light is not on, simply open the app on your phone and make sure that the scope is connected. It should auto-connect, and you can connect manually through the main menu. To probe, you change the orientation of the scope like this. This is a standby mode, this is a ready to probe mode. If you notice, the scope has a few key sensors. First is this optical window. Make sure that this is free of any kind of snow or ice. Next, you have a force sensor. Make sure that this is also free of any snow or ice. To probe, you want to focus on a smooth, fast probe. Once you orient it vertically, you should feel a small buzz indicating that the probe is ready to plunge. The smooth motion makes sure that the sensors get the data that it needs to create your snow profile. After you probe, take a look at your status LED.
The status LED should be off while the profile is processing,
and a blinking green when your profile succeeds. If your profile succeeds, you should feel a buzz on your phone indicating that you have a new profile. If you have an error while probing, you'll see this blinking orange turn to a blinking red. Check your phone for the specific error and tips on how to improve your probing technique. We recommend taking multiple successful probes in the same spot due to the spatial variability of the snow and the specificity of the sensors in this device. To probe again, simply retilt the device after it being horizontal, and you'll feel another buzz and the light will go green again. That means you're allowed to probe. You will not be allowed to probe if you immediately enter the snow, pull it out, and try to go in again. The probe needs time to process the data, and this is why we require you to tilt it horizontally before tilting vertical again.